What's up, guys? So yesterday I was sanding this thing down until I ran out of 80 grit sandpaper, and today I've been working on getting the patchwork on the plastic of this old bumper. I've just been practicing on it and trying to see how I could patch up the sides that I cut up. Let me show you how that looks right now. That's how it used to look when I had just cut it up. It had a plastic bar running along right here, and it had a plastic backing that I also cut off. This plastic backing had the clips for some of it was reflectors and just a plastic trim. So I cut those off, and over here I already patched up the other side with plastic and reinforced the back of it with mesh. Let me show you. It hardly even fluxes. But what I should have done is probably added some mesh on the front as well, on this inside part, because it kind of doesn't adhere to the other pieces, because I used like 2 pieces to patch it up. But I'm for sure gonna do that on this new bumper, which I already started cutting up, and I'm just gonna replicate the same thing. You see that's the bar right there in the clips from that other bumper. So I'm just gonna replicate the same thing, and hopefully this comes out nice. And I'm gonna continue sanding once all this is done with. I'm gonna continue sanding after I've done all the patchwork. Elle croit qu'elle fait bouger son tosma. On adore que ce genre de bonnes femmes. Ils ont chargé le coffre pour une promenade. Plus 48 heures dans un go-fast. Fraîchement débarqué du rockmar. Tous mes petits francs ont du tosma. Bien plus de 30 G pour mes refs. Je suis réellement axé, vraiment dément. En plus la meuf est tellement présente. Je dépose un sortir sur ses œuvres. Et j'hésite encore à en faire malin. Alright, so here's an update, guys. I stopped working on the old bumper and I started working on the new one. I feel like I had enough confidence to stop the patchwork on this one and start doing it on the new one. I was only doing this one because I was doing it for practice, because I didn't trust myself with the plastic welder, or well, mostly cutting it and then making everything look natural to the body. But I kind of worked with it a little bit, and I think this is gonna be good. And I'm glad that I don't have to buy a second new bumper. I'm just ready to be done with this. So let me just show you what it looks like right now. So let's see what I have here. This is the first one I did yesterday, and I actually decided to put the mesh on the front, although I didn't sink it in well enough and it's already showing through after a light sanding. I'm for sure gonna have to fix that. And over here, I was up till like 4 a.m. doing the other side, and I still have to cover up the metal mesh on the back. Well, not this one. Not this one. It's this one. I need to cover up the metal mesh on the back. That concludes the video, and if you did enjoy, make sure you like and comment your thoughts on it. Make sure you subscribe too, so you can keep up with this project. Next video, you're gonna see me actually going. Next time I'm going to be showing you how I go through and make those plastic pieces to extend the lip on the bumper, and I'm going to be showing you how I plastic weld it and put the metal mesh inside of it.